welcome to the Viking Octantis Expedition Cruise Ship. We're in Antarctica. I'm going to give you a quick room tour of my cabin, which is a Nordic junior suite. The view is incredible, by the way, and I'll show you that in a second. So walk in, and immediately to your right there's the bathroom, and considering we're on a cruise ship, it is extremely spacious. So jewel of vanities, there I am. Your toiletries are by Viking's own brand called Freya, and you additionally have this very spacious shower that could easily fit 2 people. Water pressure is great, it's immediately hot. This whole space is very comfy, really warm and inviting. You have so much storage as well. This cruise I'm on will last for 13 days approximately, and I've got more than enough room for everything I need. Additionally, if you're going to some of the Arctic regions, by which I mean the Arctic or Antarctica, they give you clothing to use for the duration of your voyage, so you don't need to pack extra stuff unnecessarily. So I was given this jacket, interior, and this exterior red one, both of which I can keep if I wish. These trousers and those boots, which I need to return. So you don't need to pack all that on the way out, at least, which is really, really good. There's the bed, really nice. TV has complimentary films, live TV, complimentary music on demand. Here's your workstation. Again, trying not to show you the view unnecessarily or just yet. By the way, the 13-day cruise I'm on starts from about £10,000 per person. That includes all your food, different expeditions, access to the spa, service is great. It also includes international airfare, and Viking have been very impressive. I'm going to share more videos about them. And this is my view today. It looks unreal. Antarctica is the most beautiful place I have ever been, and we have been spectacularly lucky with the weather. So this is what you potentially get if you book a Nordic junior suite with Viking Cruises.